What is philosophy? A beginner's guide. So, you have probably heard the term, but what does it really mean? At its core, philosophy is the study of fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, morality, and reality. It's not just about abstract theories, it's about thinking deeply, questioning assumption, and seeking wisdom. In this video, we will explore the origins of philosophy, its major branches, and why it still matters today. So, the origin of philosophy. Philosophy dates back thousands of years. In the West, it began with the ancient Greek like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, who questioned everything from the nature of reality to ethics and politics. Meanwhile, in the East, Confucius in China focused on morality and social harmony, while Buddha in India explored the nature of suffering and enlightenment. Different cultures developed their own philosophical tradition, but all sought to answer life's biggest questions. So let's discuss about the main 5 branches of philosophy. So first of all, we have metaphysics, the study of reality. What is existence? And is time even real? See, we will surely discuss all these 5 branches of philosophy in detail in our next videos. Stay tuned. Second, epistemology, the study of knowledge. How do we know what's true? Third is ethics, the study of morality, what is right and what is wrong. Fourth is logic, the study of reasoning, what makes an argument valid. Fifth is aesthetics, the study of beauty and art, what makes something beautiful. Now, main video start from here. Why philosophy matters today? You might be wondering, is philosophy just for scholars? Absolutely not. Everyday decisions, when you decide what's right or wrong, you're thinking about philosophically. Science and technology, AI ethics, the nature of consciousness, and even the Big Bang theory all have roots in philosophy. Philosophy teaches you how to think, not what to think, an essential skill in today's world of misinformation. So now let's see a philosopher minds. So philosophy is not about having all the answers. It's about asking better questions. Like Socrates famously said, the only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. So the next time you question the meaning of life or debate right from wrong, remember, you're already thinking like a philosopher. So, what do you think? Do we need philosophy in today's world? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into philosophy. See you in the next one.